Hello everyone, welcome to Teasal Tours, English with Lisa. I would like to read you a short paragraph. It's titled, Try to Sleep. Norma went to bed. It was 11 o'clock. She turned out the light. She lay in the bed. It was dark. It was quiet. She couldn't sleep. She closed her eyes. She tried to sleep, but she couldn't. She turned the light back on. She opened her book. She started to read her book. It was a good book. She read one page. Then she read another page. After a while, she felt sleepy. She closed the book. She turned out the light. She closed her eyes. She went straight to sleep. Good night, everyone. My sister and I are very different. I am a teacher. She's a journalist. I live in Chicago. She lives in Paris. I have a small apartment in the city. I'm married. She's single. I play golf. She plays tennis. I play the piano. She doesn't play a musical instrument. On the weekend, I usually watch TV and rarely go out. She never watches TV and always goes to parties. As you can see, we're very different, but we're sisters and we're friends.